Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to download 3D models from Sketchfab and use them inside Blender without any problem. This method is super easy and beginner friendly. First, open Sketchfab in your browser. Now, search for any 3D model you like. But here is something important. Not every model can be downloaded. You need to find models that have the download button enabled. Now click on the model, scroll a little down and press the download 3D button. You may see different formats like FBX, OBJ, GLTF. I recommend it using GLTF or FBX because they work better in Blender. Now download the zip file. After downloading, right click the zip file and extract it. Inside the folder, you will see model files, textures, and materials. Don't delete anything or textures may not work later. Now open Blender, go to the file and import. Then choose the file format you downloaded. For example, if you downloaded FBX, choose FBX import. If you downloaded GLTF, choose GLTF import. Now select the file and click import. Sometimes when you import the model, it'll look gray, pink or totally broken. And this is the biggest problem beginner face. But don't worry, the fix is actually very simple. First, make sure you extract the zip file correctly. Inside the folder, you should see the model file and a texture folder. Now here is the important part. If the Blender cannot find the texture images, the model will lose color and materials. Blender will automatically search for all the missing texture files and reconnect them. And boom, your model should look normal again and all texture work properly. Your Sketchfab model is now inside Blender. Now you can animate it, edit it, use it in games or create amazing renders. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Blender tutorial and comment below what model you want to import next.